Chanel. He was. Hi guys, ito yung sitwasyon natin ngayon. Nakahiga lang ako dito sa sahig dahil ayaw ko humiga doon sa taas guys. Yung baby namin si Matley, he got spayed. So, yan, ni-neuter siya. And yan ang sitwasyon niya and he's not happy about it. Kasi mahirap. Hindi siya nakakain, mahirap kumain. And yeah, medyo nandito yung ano niya, sugat niya dyan sa may tiyan niya. Kawawa ang baby namin. Hi, baby. Are you okay? Hmm? Yeah, poor Molly. Yes, please. Wanna eat some chocolate?
Bachelor's degree in fashion merchandising from CULA, and I was a Zeta Lambda Nu sweetheart, president of my sorority, Delta Nu, and last year I was homecoming queen. Oh, 2 weeks ago, I saw Cameron Diaz at Fred Siegel, and I talked her out of buying this truly heinous Angora sweater. Whoever said orange was the new pink was seriously disturbed. Wish me luck, Bruiser. This is my first class as a serious law student.
What are you doing? We have packages arrived. What are these? What are these, Matley? Let's open the box. Come here. Mga order ni Paul. Oh God, here comes the puppy. Let's see. These are. I think these are your stuff, Matley. Okay. Let me open it first. Yeah, then we'll check what's inside. Oh, my box pa sa loob. Oh, wow. Matley, let mommy take it. Okay, so oil powder. This is also for daddy. Okay. Open the box. Ayan. Protein bars niya. So, that's perfect. We've got this. Vitamins ni Matley. Daily multi for the dog. He got two. Oh no, the other one is... Oh, this is for me. Ito yung pinabili ko kay Paul na loose black tea. Oh, okay. These are chocolates. Masarap to, guys. Dark chocolates. Wow, he ordered a lot of truffles. Truffles. Ang ganda nito pang bagahe sa Pinas. Okay? You want a treat? Yes? My baby wants a treat. Wow. Amoy oolong tea siya. Naaalala ko yung oolong tea sa Taiwan. Super init ngayon dito guys ha. At tanghali, mag-aalauna na. Pero ito, nakati ako. Gusto ko lang i-try. Curious ako dito. Hair wash day ko ngayon guys. Isang linggo na. Simula nung nag-wash ako ng aking buhok. So, kailangan kong exfoliate yung aking scalp. Guys, wala naman akong dandruff. Kaya lang, dry yung aking scalp ba. Kahit nag-o-oil ako. So, ini-exfoliate ko siya gamit nito, The Ordinary. Ang ganda nito, guys. May glycolic acid siya, exfoliating toner. Actually, pang mukha to eh. Pero pwede rin sa scalp. Kasi yung balat natin sa face and scalp ay pareho lang. So, nagkaka-pimple din tayo sa scalp. Ganyan. Oh! Okay. What? What do you wanna get? Okay, come in. Mommy will open this for you. Mommy will open the door for Matley. Go. Oh, be careful, Matley. Hair toner. I like to spray this on my scalp right after shower, guys. Pang-moisturize. Extra hydration lang. Ito yung lahat ng product na nilagay ko sa aking buhok, guys. Siguro yung naisip nyo ang dami. Pero once a week ko lang naman ginawa to. I have the hair tonic. Ito yung, spray. The tangled spray. Ito yung hyaluronic acid serum, leave-in conditioner, and the oil. 5 klase. Medyo madami din. Pero, like I said, isang beses ko lang naman sa isang linggo ginawa yan. Okay. Mommy has a package. To ta-da! And that's the video. Wow! That's the shoes. Ayan, guys. Cat shoes. Wow, medyo matigas kasi leather siya. Ang gusto ko kasi sa kids is narrow siya, which is saktong-sakto lang sa aking paa. So, this is the shoes, guys. Chang! Size 7. Super comfortable. Hindi siya masakit sa paa kasi hindi siya masyadong makapal. Rolled oats. Lagyan natin siya. 2 minutes. Mayroon akong extra dito na hindi na siya nagkasya doon. I-ano ko siya, i-boil ko siya, guys. I mean, steam. So, mag-steam tayo ng meatballs din. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Wow! Oh, God, so hot. Looks good. Super hot. We'll go out later, okay? Daddy will be back. So, tatanggalin na namin yung cone. Nagpopumigla siya. Ayaw niya. I think you got used to it, cone. Wow! Cone is off! Miley is so excited. He's free. He's finally free. Yay! 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 You can eat on your own now. Look. I know you're so happy. He's so happy. May dineliver. Nagulat si Matley sa doorbell. I ordered this. Wow, ang bilis na pa-deliver. Kaka-order ko lang nito kahapon Oh, ito yung libre. Ito yung mga samples. Chanel. Curious ako sa Jo Malone kasi a lot of people like Jo Malone talaga. This one is floral. Pero ito, guys, ito yung I've been using this for matagal-tagal na, guys. Gustong-gusto ko talaga to. Super moisturizing sa buhok. Gustong-gusto to ng buhok ko. Love niya. And I like it a lot. Tapos ito. Ito ang tagal nitong nagkaroon ng ng stock sa Sephora. Lagi itong out of stock eh. Kaya, super moisturizing to sa scalp, guys. Kasi if you know me, yung scalp ko talaga super dry. Char pang libre na perfume bottle. This is perfect for travel. Kasi maliliit lang sila. Yes. Hello guys, I'm out today. inaantay ko ang aking friend. Mag-girl dinner kami tonight. So, nasa labas kami ng Korean restaurant. Then 10 p.m.